Very good morning, class 5th. How are you all, beta? I hope you all are fine and safe at home and doing your work properly and regularly on time. As you know, beta, our lesson number 3 is going on, and yesterday we have done the new words and the internal question answers. So, beta, today we will do the textual question answers of this lesson. I hope, beta, you have written the 4 question answers in your fair notebook, and in the rest, beta, I have sent the PDF today. Write them. Okay. So beta, first is question number 1. What are the functions of the skeletal system? So beta, what are the function of skeletal system? Beta, skeletal system gives shape and support to the body, right? It protects our soft internal organs like heart, stomach, intestine, liver, kidney, right? And long bones, beta, they also contain bone marrow which forms blood. इसके अलावा बेटा you can also write that bones also stores mineral like calcium and phosphorus, and you can also write it provide movement to our body parts with the help of muscle attached to the bones. Okay, so it you can also write beta the skull protect our brain and ribs protect our hearts and lung. So like this, these functions you can write. I have written only 3. You can write the next rest also if you want. Next beta, what are joints and what are their type? So beta, the place where the two bones meet, right, are the joints. And beta, the ligament help the bones to connect with each other, right? So beta, bone, their joints are of two type beta, movable and immovable joint. Next beta, what enable us to chew and speak? So beta, in our skull only one part is movable, that is the lower jaw. It is also called mandible, and it is only the movable joint in the skull, and it only enable us to chew and speak. Next beta, what is the difference between voluntary and involuntary muscles? So beta, voluntary muscles are those muscles that work under our will. We can control our actions while walking, writing, right? And the arm, leg, hand have voluntary muscles, right? Voluntary muscles beta work under our will, and that is why they are we can control our actions, and beta they are attached with the bone, and they are also called the skeletal muscles, right? And that is why we can control our actions like jumping, walking, running. Next beta, involuntary muscles. So these muscles do not work at our will, and we cannot control them. They work without our thinking about them. And like our stomach, heart have involuntary muscles. So even when we are sleeping, our heart beats beta. So they are involuntary muscles. Next beta, what are cardiac muscle fibers? So beta, cardiac word is related to the heart. So these muscle fibers are present only in the heart, and they have dark bands like striated muscle fiber. So beta, they work very quickly, and they are very powerful, and they are involuntary strong, and they do not get tired, and that is why our heart work continuously. So these are the cardiac muscle fibers beta, and they are present in the heart. Next beta, you have to draw the diagram of 3 type of muscle cells. So beta, same like this, you have to draw the diagram of striated muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscle. Okay, so beta, muscles are made up of cells beta. They are called muscle fiber, and there are 3 type of muscle fibers: striated muscle fiber, smooth muscle fiber, and cardiac muscle fiber. So you have to draw all these 3 in notebook. Next beta, from the HOTS. So we cannot bend our knee and elbow backward. Why? So beta, why we cannot move our knee and elbow backward? Because beta, it has hinge joint, and it allow movement only in one direction. जो hinge joint होता है बेटा, वो सिर्फ एक डायरेक्शन में मूवमेंट अलाउ करता है, and that is why you can bend your knee and elbow only in one direction, right? The movement of hinge joint is similar to the movement of the door beta, right? That move it on its hinges. Next beta, why does the heart keep working all through life without getting tired? So beta, because it is made up of cardiac muscle fiber which have special ability to work without getting tired. So that is why our heart work continuously. Next beta, what would happen if there are no bones in our body? So बेटा अगर हमारी बॉडी में बोन्स ही नहीं होती तो skeletal system बेटा means the bones give our body shape and support, right? It also protect our internal organs like brain, heart, liver, and it also provide the movement to the body parts with the help of muscle attached to them, right? So बेटा अगर bones ही नहीं होती we would not able to stand or move or do anything, right? So बेटा bones help us in many way. It gives support to the body, it gives shape to the body, it protect the internal organs, help us to move. So without bones we could not even stand or move beta. So beta, in today's PDF you will get only the fifth and sixth question answer and part F, these three question answers. Write them in your fair notebook in very good handwriting, and beta learn these question answers and do the written practice. Till then, bye bye and take care.